Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download BlockFi Legacy Assets Dashboard for account access, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type BlockFi Legacy Assets Dashboard. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Look for the official BlockFi website in the search results. Click on the link that directs you to the BlockFi homepage. Once on the homepage, navigate to the login area. Enter your account credentials to log in. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. After successfully logging in, search for the Legacy Assets Dashboard link. This may be located in a dedicated section for legacy accounts. Click on the link to access the Legacy Assets Dashboard. Once the dashboard loads, look for the download option for your account statements. This option is typically labeled as download or export. Select the desired file format you wish to download. Common formats include PDF or CSV, depending on your needs. Click the download button and wait for the file to download. Once downloaded, locate the file in your device's downloads folder. Open the file to ensure that all data is present and accurate. If you encounter any issues, revisit the dashboard for troubleshooting resources. For further assistance, consider contacting BlockFi customer support. You are now able to access your BlockFi Legacy Assets dashboard and download your account information successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.